the drinker comes to know that he is an alcoholic. So he needs to decide whether he has to continue drinking or stay stopped. To stay stopped, there are few solutions, because an alcoholic undergoes disease called alcoholism due to the drinking impacts, and that disease is a never-ending disease which will be remaining within him and rooting out all the time till the death of him. But it is treatable, it's beatable. It's just similar to diabetics, when a person is diabetic, sugar disease, it can be treated, it can be controlled, but we cannot, medically it cannot be, completely removed. The disease of alcoholism is also the same. It can be treated, it can be cured, beaten, but it can be controlled. And the only way is to stay stopped and don't pick up the first glass once again, because the first glass makes you go and drink more and more, and it will lead to mass quantity, and it will give to a lot of problems again. To come out from alcohol addiction, you have to consult a physician, a family physician or a family doctor, and tell him the physical problems, the mental problems you have, and he will prescribe some medicines for you. Maybe he will advise rest, he will detoxify you. You need to detoxify yourself. The alcohol will be removed from your bloodstream, you will feel normal, but the urge, crave and withdrawals will be there. For that the medicines will be given, and you will feel motivated, and you will feel like eating more and more food. Medicines like vitamin C, vitamin B will be given, and you will feel that you would like to eat more food, and the withdrawals will come down. But after a period of time, after 10 days or 15 days, when you get a call from your friend, for example, let's go for a drink, or you see the wine store and you feel an urge, please do not go and drink, because it will make you come to that point of time where your problems started and ended. So you will lead into drinking of mass quantity, and that cannot be stopped, and your disease will oversurface. You will have problems everywhere, in the society, in the family, in the work area where you are, and in all areas of society. The best solution is in the subscription in the subscription box. I have put self-help group where you can log in and attend this meeting. It's a self-help group called AA meetings, AA Alcoholic Anonymous, where you can go in meetings and share your personal problems, your common problems, and you can listen to members who have come out from alcohol addiction and leading a normal life, a sober life. So due to this pandemic, these meetings are held online. So in the comment box I have given this AA meeting link for the Zoom, and to know about AA meetings, please log in, or you can search it in the Google and get it. But coming out of addiction is very, very difficult, but surely you can come out of it, and you have to follow a one day at a time basis method, where you keep away from the first glass. The first drink does the damage. An alcoholic alone is in a bad company, and we have to know that drinking is not a joke. There are people drinking and living and enjoying life without any problems, but after you cross a stage, the addiction stage, when you become an alcoholic, you start to have different psychological problems. Problems lead to these alcohol related problems make you go into depression, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and many problems. It can lead you to into coma, and drinking alcohol is very dangerous to the liver, because it affects the liver and other parts of the brain. It affects your judgment, it affects your emotion, it affects your behavior, and it affects you in all other areas of life. So drinking alcohol or staying sober, there is a difference. So you will know the difference when you leave alcohol. If you think that I am preaching, to go into a small example, a small experience of my personal life. I too was an alcoholic. I couldn't stay stopped. I had to drink. I had to have alcohol every day. I started during my college days. I had maybe half a glass, 1 glass, and I stayed stopped. Social drinking, casual, occasional drinking, I was doing. But in a later on stage, I couldn't stay stopped. I needed more and more alcohol to feel the high, to feel the buzz. But I got the message of Alcoholics Anonymous. I went into this meeting, I couldn't understand anything. But then, when I started to listen, I got the message how to come out from alcohol addiction and lead a normal life. Leaving alcohol, anybody can leave alcohol, It may be complicated, it can be impossible, but it is possible. But after leaving alcohol, leading a constructive life in sobriety is the question mark. How to do it? You can follow the 12 steps of the AA program once you go into the program. And whatever may be the cause, whatever may be the reason, drinking is not the solution. Don't go and pick up the first glass. This could be the dangerous drink. It will lead you to multiple problems. Supposing you had stopped and you had 80% of the problem, you will reach 100% of the problem, and drinking can lead to anything. Drinking is pleasant, is socially accepted, but the consequences are very dangerous. You have come to an understanding what could be alcohol, what is addiction, how to come out of addiction. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and strike on the subscription button, and please do not forget to comment. That this could motivate me to do more videos for people who wants to come out from alcohol addiction, and this will make me also feel encouraged to do more missions, more videos of how to come out from alcohol addiction. So thank you.